Hello, curious minds, and welcome to Global World Formation. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time, glacier melt. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the science behind glacier melt, the consequences for our planet, and the complex web of causes driving this phenomenon. Before we dive into why glaciers are melting, let's understand why they matter. Glaciers are vital freshwater reserves, holding about 68% of the world's freshwater. They serve as natural reservoirs, providing water for millions of people and supporting ecosystems. Additionally, glaciers are crucial indicators of climate change. Their melt rates offer insights into our warming planet. Now that we appreciate their significance, let's explore the science of glacier melt. Glacier melt is a result of complex interactions between temperature, precipitation, and glacier dynamics. When temperatures rise, glaciers lose more ice through melting than they gain from snowfall, a delicate balance. Factors such as albedo, which relates to a glacier's reflectivity, also play a role. Darker surfaces absorb more heat, accelerating melt. Understanding the physics of glacier melt is crucial to grasp the broader picture. Now, let's explore the causes behind the rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns. The primary driver of glacier melt is unequivocally climate change. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to global warming, a phenomenon that affects glaciers worldwide. Rising temperatures cause glaciers to lose mass at accelerated rates. Climate change also alters precipitation patterns, reducing snowfall and further contributing to glacier loss. But climate change is not the only factor at play. Let's explore other contributors. Glacier melt is exacerbated by several feedback mechanisms, creating a vicious cycle. One such mechanism is the ice albedo feedback, where melting ice uncovers darker surfaces that absorb more heat. Additionally, warming oceans lead to the disintegration of ice shelves, allowing glaciers to flow faster into the sea. These feedback loops intensify glacier melt, further raising sea levels. Now, let's explore the regional and global consequences of glacier melt. The impacts of glacier melt extend far beyond the cryosphere, affecting communities, ecosystems, and climate systems worldwide. One of the most visible consequences is rising sea levels, threatening coastal cities and low-lying areas. Glacier melt also disrupts freshwater supplies, particularly in regions dependent on glacier-fed rivers. Ecosystems that rely on glacier-fed waters face disruption, affecting biodiversity and local communities. Additionally, glacier melt contributes to shifts in weather patterns and can exacerbate extreme events. These consequences highlight the urgent need to address glacier melt as part of broader climate action. While the challenges of glacier melt are daunting, efforts to mitigate and adapt to these changes are underway. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is central to slowing glacier melt, and international agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to achieve this. In addition, communities are implementing adaptation strategies to cope with changing water sources and sea level rise. Scientific research and monitoring also play a crucial role in understanding and responding to glacier melt. It's essential to recognize that the fate of glaciers is closely intertwined with our global response to climate change. As we conclude our exploration of why are glaciers melting, we find ourselves amidst a climate crisis with profound consequences. Understanding the science, causes, and impacts of glacier melt is the first step toward meaningful action. It's not just about preserving these icy wonders, it's about safeguarding our planet for current and future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this exploration as thought-provoking as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of critical environmental issues. Let's work together to protect our planet and its glaciers. Stay informed and stay curious.